Nigeria army throw 10 bomb on us. Biafra Liberation Army. Hello my wonderful people, you are welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome, and don't forget to give this page a follow and subscribe to our YouTube channel. No be smart, you know, they say Kasala don boss and Yawa don gas. As you people know, say for Imo State, where Hope Uzodinma be governor, say so many things they happen for there. The bombardment where they go on between Nigeria Army and Biafra Liberation Army is still ongoing, and this one is very heavy. As those guys, they lament, they complain, say no be small bomb those people don't control for them today. We will play you the video, may you hear direct from them, may you hear wetin they talk and wetin happen, and hear wetin this Biafra Liberation Army talk wey happen for inside that bush where dem dey. They say if you see the kind bomb where they throw, but end of the day they will not kill a fly they will not even kill an ant. Now wetin the Biafra Liberation Army talk. We will go ahead, go play you the video, may you watch, and we will come back, continue. May you stay tuned and watch the video.
As I said before, that they have come this morning again with their fighter jet, and they have released 10 bomb and shoot so many bullets. But I'm here to inform them that they are wasting money and resources. There is even an ant they cannot kill. Even an ant they cannot kill here. We are fighting the just cause. And Chukwukika Abiyama and the gods of Biafra are fully in support of what we are doing. So therefore, they are wasting their time. So if you know them, tell them that they are wasting resources. You cannot just bring one fighter jet and be doing boo 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 and go back. Where are your foot soldiers? Where are your foot soldiers? Bring them. Let them come and face hell. But believe you me, yesterday one was not good for you. Today on will never be good for you. Bring it again. You are only disturbing the tree in this forest. Stop disturbing the piece of the tree in this our forest. You cannot just be coming and then be shooting an innocent tree down. I'm here to tell you that you cannot even kill an ant in this place. So therefore, you must know that we are fully prepared for you. We are fully prepared for you. And there's nothing you can do to stop Biafra. You cannot do anything. Believe you me. You can never stop the restorations of Biafra. So stop wasting your time. Stop wasting your time. We are fully prepared for you. We are fully prepared and ready for you. We go nowhere. This is the land of our ancestors. This is the land of our heritage. In this land, we go nowhere. So anyhow you want to come, anywhere you want to come, come. We are fully on ground. Remember, this is Operation Snake in the Monkey Shadow. So we own ground. The owner of the land know themselves. You only come here to die. No doubt about that. No doubt about that. a few days to come, you will witness the greatest disaster you have never witnessed before. You are the one crying now. What happened? Day before yesterday, how many soldiers you lost with your healers, with your chain gun, and with your guns? Yesterday, how many soldiers do you lost? We are still waiting for you today. And I'm telling you, you can never win this war. It doesn't matter. In fact, if you come in a group, you will die in the group. If you come as one, you will die as one. It doesn't matter how many you are. You fail to read history. Because if you read history, you will know that the volunteer army can never be defeated. They have never been defeated anywhere in the war. Not today, not forever. So you that volunteer yourself to come and die, come, the land of Biafra will swallow you. We go nowhere. So this morning, I'm here to update men of the press and my followers that they have come this morning and have shoot 10 bombs and released so many rapids of their bullets, but of no avail. Not even ants were killed. So therefore, we are waiting for their foot soldier to come and die. But at the same time also promising them that when next time they fly, the bed must be brought down. It's a promise. Trust us. Trust the men of Butuzo that are equal to the task. And trust us. We give no damn as long as we are fighting for our right, and our right must be honored and respected. Biafra is our end point. Biafra is what we are asking for. Then when they fail to give us Biafra, then Nigeria is good as zero. Because we will destroy everything in Nigeria. Now when we say this, they think that it is a plan or it's a joke. But gradually we are getting there. And until it took them, they will never believe it's real. And once again, Monday is Nnamdi Kanu holiday. Then from Tuesday, the coffee begin. Don't forget, 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. is no go area. No movement. If you are found outside and the fly bullet reach you, you have yourself to be blamed. Your blood will be upon you. If you stay inside and the crusade is holding around your area, don't try to peep on the window. Just lie down flat. Because the Jews are good for nothing. They are terrorists. I'm telling you out of experience, because whenever we kill them so many here, they will just be killing innocent people by shooting random, bullets. Every houses then see, they will just be releasing bullet on it. So don't be victim, please. If the crusade is holding around your area, please save your life by lying down flat on the ground. Don't try to peep. We will see come up and update you what conspired that time. So to save your life, because we are here to save you and protect you, please don't make our effort be in vain. We love you people so much. But this is what we were born to do. To make things easier for us. May God protect and bless all of you that are well-wisher of Biafra. I'm here to tell you that nothing happened to any of our gallant men, despite their bomb. They have released 10 bombs so far, and so many rapids they have shot. It's just one jet fighter, and he narrowly escaped. Nothing happened to any of our men. And you should not be panicked, because we are on top of the situation. They only come here to waste their resources, their bomb, and their money. But trust us. They might be lucky to go, or maybe next time they will run out of luck. Just the same way others have been running out of luck. Thank you very much for listening to me. If you know your brother and your sister, your uncle and your auntie, your father and your mother, your friends and relatives, tell them that after Monday sit at home, normally Nnamdi Kanu Day, that the Tuesday to Friday is going to be coffee day from 6 a.m. to 12 p.m. till Friday. Saturday is a free day, and Sunday is a free day. From Monday to Friday, please endeavor to be in your house. Monday is 6 to 6. Tuesday is 6 to 12. To avoid getting yourself killed, do not say you were not informed. Because he that have been informed to perform. We are expecting you to do your own part of it, while we are doing our own part of it. But at the end of all this scenario, Biafra will be restored. Biafra is the hope of our born and unborn children. Not just us. Biafra is the hope of every Negro, black man and black woman over there. Remember, we are the light of the world, and we must shine for them. If we fail them, we have failed them, and they will suffer the eternity. And that is why we cannot afford to fail. Never. And we can never give up. We are here to restore Biafra, and Biafra we must restore.
My wonderful people, you are welcome back. As I have watched that video, I hear this what Biafra Liberation Army have said in this particular video. Don't forget that this struggle is a struggle of no going back, and these men are working tirelessly for the freedom of Biafra, Biafra Liberation. So I'm leaving the audience, which is my followers and my subscribers, to look into this matter when talk today. Waiting be your own opinion. Are you giving them your full support? Anything will be your opinion, please may you leave them for comment section. May we talk about them. Everything we talk here. If you get anyone where you did that, may you still leave them for comment section. May we talk about them. Okay, my people, not be smart, now so we see them. And I will say more bring a can't give now this one a direct info. May you watch them by yourself, and also leave your own opinion for comment section. We will go ahead, go end down for today, and we will stay tuned as they bring more updates. They come, things are really happening. I beg you, may you not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because for now our page are having some issues, and which is we are trying to resolve it immediately so that we can restore it back. So for now, our YouTube is fully active. Don't forget to subscribe and turn your notification buttons. If they drop the update, you dey get them. Okay, now see you in the next video.